Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to calculate the EMIs using PMT formula in Excel. Normally, to calculate the EMI, we will use the mathematical formula where EMI equal monthly installment, P loan amount or principal amount, R is the interest rate per month, and N is the number of monthly installments. If you are confused or suspicious with the EMIs charging by the lenders, we can calculate the installments ourselves in Excel so that we can cross-check it with what we have been paying per month. Let's assume we are planning to buy a car in EMI which costs 6,50,000 with an interest rate of 12% per annum, which is payable in 5 years, that is 60 monthly installments. Here I have prepared a table with the above data. EMI can be calculated by placing the following formula. Select a cell and type equal to PMT. It consists of 5 variables: rate, number of periods, present value, future value, and type. The rate to be used in this formula should be monthly rate, but the rate showing here is per annum, so we need to divide the rate by 12 to get monthly rate. Add comma. Number of periods represents the number of EMIs. Here we have 5 years, so multiply this by 12. To convert this into number of months, add comma and enter the present value, that is the cost of the vehicle. Note that the last parameters, that is future value and type, are optional and they are assumed to be 0. If we ignore them, close the bracket and press enter. Then we will get the EMI amount in result with the negative or with red color, which indicates the cash outflow of the borrower. In most cases there will be a down payment. In that case, again come to the formula. After present value, we need to make a simple modification. Here we need to deduct down payment from actual amount. Again press enter. Then we will get the EMI amount by considering the down payment. Let's take another example. Suppose we are paying a quarterly installment on a loan of 10 lakh at 10% interest rate per annum for 10 years. Let's find the EMI amount. Select a cell and type equal to PMT. In this case, instead of 12, we need to divide the rate by 4. Add comma and multiply the number of years by 4. Add comma and select the present value, close the bracket and press enter. Then we will get the EMI amount on quarterly basis. Similarly, when we are buying a mobile in online, we will get different EMI rates. Here I have Apple iPhone 6s which costs 28,100 and I want to buy this with a interest rate of 13%, and let's calculate the EMI for various months. Here I'm typing 6 months. After this, select a cell and type PMT. Here we need to convert the interest rate into months, so divide by 12. Add comma, number of periods 6 months. Add comma and select the price, close the bracket and press enter. Now we got the EMI amount for 6 months with a interest rate of 13%. Similarly, let's calculate for the EMI for 9 months. Simply replace 6 with 9 and it will show the EMI amount. And if you want to exchange a mobile for a worth of 1000 rupees, now to calculate the exchange, we need to deduct the exchange from price amount. For that, come to the formula and type minus and select the exchange price and press enter. Then we will get the EMI amount by considering the exchange price. Like this, we can calculate the EMIs using PMT formula in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.